Very good afternoon and welcome to HIMCOM News. I am Anshu. What we know about India's COVID vaccine. Less than a week after launching the world's largest inoculation drive, India has shipped tens of thousands of free doses of COVID-19 vaccine diplomacy. Covaxin made up by pharma company Bharat Biotech. So what do we know about India's vaccine? How does vaccine work? The home-ground government-backed vaccine has been developed by Bharat Biotech, a 24-year-old vaccine maker which has a portfolio of 16 vaccines and export to 123 countries. It is an inactivated vaccine, which means that it is made up of killed coronaviruses, making it safe to be injected into the body. Bharat Biotech used a sample of coronaviruses isolated by India's National Institute of Virology. The two doses are given 4 weeks apart. The vaccine can be stored at 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. Bharat Biotech says it has a stockpile of 20 million doses of Covaxin and is aiming to make 700 million of doses out of it, 4 facilities in 2 cities by the end of the year. What is controversy around Covaxin? It all began when the regulator said the vaccine had been approved for restricted use in emergency situation in public interest as an abundant precaution in the clinical trial mode, especially in the context of infection by mutant strains. Both the manufacturer and drug regulatory say Covaxin is safe and provide a robust immune response. Bharat Biotech has defended the approval, saying Indian clinical trial laws allowed accelerated authorization for use of drugs after the second phase of trial of unmet medical needs of serious and life-threatening disease in the country. It has promised to provide efficacy data for the vaccine by February. What about COVID Shield? The Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine is being manufactured by the Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer. It says it is producing more than 50 million doses a month. The vaccine, which is known as COVID Shield, is made from a weakened version of common cold virus known as adenovirus from chimpanzees. It has been modified to look more like coronaviruses, although it cannot cause illness. When the vaccine is injected into a patient, it prompts the immune system to start making antibodies and prime it to attack any coronavirus infection. The jab is administered in 2 doses given between 4 and 12 weeks apart. How effective is COVID Shield? International clinical trial of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine showed that when people were given a half dose and then a full dose, effectiveness hit 90%. Serum Institute of India, vaccine maker of the vaccine, say COVID Shield is highly effective and backed by phase 3 trial data from Brazil and United Kingdom. Clinical trial are 3-phase process to determine whether the vaccine induces good immune response and whether it causes any unacceptable side effect. The company had said it will try to conduct the bridging trial of the vaccine by the February. Which country are signing up for the India's vaccine? Some of the first doses have been already shipped to Bhutan, Maldives, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar and Seychelles. Only COVID Shield has been exported so far, some of the form of gifts and the rest in the line with commercial agreements signed between the Serum and these nations. India is also planning to send doses to Sri Lanka, Afghanistan and Mauritius after regulatory clearance from these countries. The Foreign Ministry says India will continue to supply vaccine all over the world after taking into account domestic and international demand and obligation. For more updates, keep watching HIMCOM News. Thank you.